Can just 1 minute a day really transform your body? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that doing one single exercise, the plank, for just 60 seconds every day could strengthen your core, improve your posture, reduce back pain, boost your metabolism, and even calm your mind? Stay with me, because what you're about to learn might just change how you see fitness forever. Your core is more than just abs. It's the powerhouse of your entire body. It includes your abdominal muscles, lower back, hips, and even your pelvis. When you strengthen your core, everything else gets better, from how you walk to how you sit. Now, when you hold a plank for just 1 minute, you're activating all these deep core muscles at once. It's not just about looking fit, it's about being strong where it truly matters. A strong core means better stability, more balance, and less risk of injury in your everyday life. Think about this. Most of us spend hours sitting, slouching, or looking down at our phones. Over time, that weakens our posture and leads to chronic back pain. But planking engages the muscles that keep your spine aligned and your shoulders back, helping you stand taller and feel stronger. And here's what's even more incredible. You don't need equipment, you don't need a gym, and you don't need a personal trainer. All it takes is 1 minute of focus. You'll start to feel it in your abs, your back, your legs. It's a full body challenge that demands nothing but your own body weight. You may shake, you may sweat, but that's your body leveling up. Every single day, that 1 minute compounds. And soon, you're not just doing a plank, you're building a foundation for a stronger, healthier version of you. When you hold a plank, your muscles are doing something powerful. They're stabilizing your entire body. You're not jumping or lifting. You're resisting gravity. And resistance builds strength. As days go by, your muscular endurance increases. You'll notice it's easier to hold the plank longer. But not just that, everyday activities like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or doing other workouts feel easier too. That's because your body is becoming more efficient and powerful. Let's talk fat loss. Planking isn't just about building muscle, it also helps you burn fat. Unlike isolated exercises like crunches, planks engage large muscle groups at once, which increases your heart rate slightly and boosts your metabolism. That means you're burning calories even after your 1 minute is over. And posture. Oh yes, if you're constantly feeling back tension or neck stiffness, planking might be your secret weapon. When done right, it trains your body to hold itself in alignment. You'll find yourself sitting up straighter at your desk, walking taller in the street, and even sleeping better at night. Imagine feeling more confident in how you move, stand, and carry yourself just because you committed to one powerful habit. But remember, consistency is the key. 1 day won't do much, but 1 minute a day, every day. That's transformation in progress. Most people think of planking as purely physical, but did you know this one exercise can also improve your mental health? Planking requires focus. It demands stillness, breath control, and mental discipline. And in that moment of silence, where your muscles are burning and your mind is screaming, you learn to breathe through the discomfort. That's mindfulness. That's mental training. Doing this daily builds resilience. It teaches you how to handle pressure, how to stay present, and how to finish what you start even when it's uncomfortable. Plus, planking stimulates the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that naturally elevate your mood. That's why many people report feeling lighter, calmer, and even happier after finishing their plank. It's a small act of discipline that sets the tone for your entire day. And there's one more powerful reason to plank. It reconnects you to your body. In a world full of distractions and constant motion, taking 60 seconds to ground yourself, physically and mentally, is a gift. You're not just building muscle, you're building willpower. You're not just improving posture, you're improving confidence. You're not just getting fit, you're taking control. And that changes everything. Now that you know what 1 minute of planking can do for your body and mind, what are you waiting for? Start today. Just 60 seconds. No excuses, no equipment, just you and your determination. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel. And hit the notification bell so you never miss another video that could change your life. And in the next video, we'll show you how to make your plank even more powerful with small tweaks that multiply your results. Ready to level up? Watch the next one now.